Most local business owners are bleeding money every single month on automation tools built for companies 10 times their size. And the crazy part, the solution is simpler and cheaper than you think. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up AI automation for your local business in 2026 without overpaying for features you'll never use. Stay to the end because I'm going to walk you through a real-world example of a local business saving 15 hours every single week using AI workflows, and it costs less than your Netflix subscription. Welcome back to Ace Media. If you're a local business owner, a solopreneur, or you run a service-based business trying to figure out where AI actually fits, you are in exactly the right place. Hit that subscribe button right now because every week we publish AI marketing strategies, specifically designed to help local businesses grow faster in 2026. Let's start with the big picture. When people hear AI automation, they think of two things. Either it's way too complicated and expensive, or they picture some massive tech company with a whole engineering team behind it. But here's the thing, AI automation for local businesses in 2026 looks completely different from what it did even 2 years ago. The barrier to entry has collapsed. You do not need to be technical, you do not need a big budget, and you absolutely don't need enterprise software. So what does AI automation actually mean for a local business owner? Simply put, it means using AI-powered tools to handle the repetitive tasks that eat up your day. Things like following up with leads, scheduling appointments, sending review requests, and posting to social media, qualifying prospects before they ever talk to you, and even building out your Facebook ad audiences automatically. These are workflows, and when you connect AI to those workflows, you get time back, you reduce human error, and you scale without hiring more people. Now here's where most business owners go wrong, and I want you to really pay attention to this part. They sign up for the most popular automation platforms on the market because those platforms have the best marketing. And those tools are great, don't get me wrong, but they were built for teams. They were built for developers. They were built for businesses that have IT departments and dedicated operations managers. When a local plumber or a boutique gym owner or a real estate agent signs up for one of those platforms, they end up paying for thousands of integrations they'll never touch, advanced features that require coding knowledge, and a pricing structure that scales based on the number of tasks they run, which adds up fast. So now you know the problem. Let me show you what the smarter approach looks like. In 2026, the best AI automation setup for a local business is built on 3 layers. Layer 1 is your AI brain. This is the tool that actually thinks, responds, and makes decisions. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini can now be connected directly into your business workflows through APIs or no-code platforms. Layer 2 is your workflow connector. This is what ties everything together. And Layer 3 is your data, your CRM, your lead list, your customer database, your Facebook ad account. When these 3 layers talk to each other, that's where the magic happens. Now let's talk about specific tools, because this is where it gets really practical for local business owners. Instead of defaulting to the biggest, most expensive automation platform out there, look at leaner alternatives that are designed specifically for small business workflows. In 2026, there are several tools that give you powerful AI workflow automation at a fraction of the cost. Platforms like Make, formerly known as Integromat, give you visual workflow builders that don't require coding. Tools like N8N are open source and completely free to self-host if you want 0 monthly fees. And newer AI agent platforms, like the ones we've been seeing explode in popularity this year, let you literally assign tasks to AI agents the way you'd assign tasks to an employee. You say what you want done, and the agent figures out how to do it. Here's the thing about AI agents specifically. This is the shift that is separating the businesses that are growing in 2026 from the ones that are staying flat. Traditional automation is rule-based. If this happens, do that. But AI agents are decision-making based. They can read an incoming lead form, determine how qualified that lead is, send a personalized follow-up message, update your CRM, and notify you, all without you touching it. And for a local business owner juggling 10 things at once, that is a game changer. So now you know what the right tools look like, but let me tell you where this really supercharges your growth, and that is Facebook ads. If you're running Facebook ads for your local business or you want to, AI automation makes your ad strategy dramatically more effective. Here's how. When someone clicks your ad and fills out a lead form, AI can immediately send them a personalized text or email that matches the exact service they inquired about. The response time goes from hours to seconds, and studies consistently show that the faster you respond to a lead, the dramatically higher your conversion rate is. But it doesn't stop there. AI can also analyze which of your Facebook ad audiences are performing best and flag underperforming ad sets in real time. It can even help you write new ad copy based on what's already converting, saving you hours of creative guesswork and testing. We're talking about a closed-loop system where your ads feed your automation and your automation feeds your sales pipeline directly. At Ace Media, we've seen local business clients completely transform their lead follow-up process using exactly this kind of AI automation setup. One of the most common things we hear is, I was getting leads from my Facebook ads, but I wasn't converting them because I couldn't follow up fast enough. AI automation solves that problem permanently by ensuring no lead ever goes cold, no matter what time of day or night they inquire. This is the future of local business growth, and it's happening right now. Make sure your business isn't being left behind in the old manual era. Let me give you that real-world example I promised you at the start. Picture a local HVAC company. Owner is running the business mostly solo with one technician. He's getting leads from Facebook ads, about 15 to 20 per week, but he's also out on jobs all day. By the time he gets back to his phone, leads have gone cold. He tries to call them back, and half of them have already booked with a competitor. Here's what the AI automation setup looks like for him. Step 1. Lead submits a form from a Facebook ad. Step 2. An AI agent immediately sends a personalized SMS that says something like, "Hey, this is Mike from Metro HVAC. Thanks for reaching out about your AC unit. I've got a spot open Thursday or Friday, which works better for you." Step 3. When the customer replies, the AI agent reads their response, updates the CRM, and if they're ready to book, sends a calendar link. Step 4. A follow-up email goes out with a review of their inquiry and a what to expect message before their appointment. Mike checks his CRM at the end of the day and his calendar is already filling up, without him making a single cold callback. That whole workflow costs him less than $50 a month to run, and it's saving him, conservatively, 15 hours every week. So let me bring it all together with your 3 biggest takeaways from today's video. Number 1, stop paying for enterprise automation tools if you're a local business. There are leaner, cheaper, and honestly better fit options available right now in 2026. Number 2, build your automation on 3 layers: your AI brain, your workflow connector, and your data, and make sure all 3 are talking to each other. Number 3, combine AI automation with your Facebook ad strategy, and your lead response time will drop from hours to seconds, which directly increases your close rate. If you want to go deeper on any of this, whether it's the specific tools, the Facebook ad setup, or how to build your first AI workflow, drop a comment below and tell me which part you want us to cover next. Seriously, your comments shape what we make here at Ace Media, so let us know. And hey, if this video gave you at least one actionable idea, smash that like button. It takes 2 seconds and it helps more local business owners find this content. Subscribe to Ace Media if you haven't already. We drop AI marketing strategies every single week, built for local businesses that are serious about growing in 2026. Next week, we're going deep on Facebook ad creative, specifically how to use AI to generate ad copy and visuals that actually convert for local service businesses. You do not want to miss that one. I'll see you there.